Okay, so another requested song po. So kadidi apo request nga saan mi amukot. Pasensya apo Okay, another requested song, Through the Years by Kenny Rogers. I can't remember when you were in there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. Thank you, Ate. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I'd never been afraid of love's a life we made. And I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear it took me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I'll belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest thing I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. Ikaw ang una ko nakilala, at ikaw rin ang una kong minahal. Ikaw ang una rin nagpaluhan nitong aking mga mata. Sabi mo'y mahal mo rin ako, bakit ngayon biglang nagbago? Oh mahal, kumusta ka? Ako pa ba? Mahal mo pa? Dati kay saya nating dalawa, ngayon'y naglaho ng parang bula. Oh mahal, kumusta ka? Ako pa ba? Mahal mo ba? Oh mahal, nasaan ka? Hanggang ngayon, mahal pa rin kita. Oh mahal, nasaan ka? Hanggang ngayon, mahal pa rin kita. Sabi mo'y mahal mo rin ako, bakit ngayon biglang nagbago? Oh mahal, kumusta ka? Ako pa ba? Mahal mo pa? Dati kay saya nating dalawa, ngayon'y naglaho ng parang bula. Oh mahal, kumusta ka? Ako pa ba'y mahal kita? Nasaan ka? Hanggang ngayon, mahal pa rin kita. Oh mahal, nasaan ka? Hanggang ngayon, mahal pa rin kita. Nung una kang makita, alam mo ba sinta, ako ay nagalit dahil suplado ka. Ngunit ako'y namangha dahil sa iyong pinakita, hindi ka naman pala totoong suplado. At nang kita'y kausapin, ako'y nangangamba na baka ika'y magalit at umiwas ka sinta. Ngunit aking nalaman, buhat sa isang kaibigan, ginagabi ka raw sa ating tagpuan. Minahal kita hindi lang dahil sa gwapo ka, minahal kita hindi rin dahil maporma ka. Minahal kita lalo Minsan ako'y lumisan, akala ko hirap iyong kalilimutan, ang bakas nagsuyuan. Ngunit aking nalaman, buhat sa isang kaibigan, hinangabi ka raw sa ating tagpuan. Minahal kita hindi lang dahil sa gwapo ka, minahal kita hindi rin dahil maporma ka, minahal kita lalong hindi dahil mayaman ka, minahal kita sa taglay mong pambira, minahal kita sa taglay mong pambira. Another requested song, Everything I Own by Brett. Yan, so try ko po dati request yung Everything I Own by Brett. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home, and I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love. What a time, what a time. You never say too much, show the way, and you weren't there. Watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home, and I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know you're loving them so, but taking them more for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home, and I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again. So the top of the request po nga Everything I Own by Brett. Another requested song, Count on You. When I think like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love's still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You're forever important to me, my miracle bride. If I have to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Oh, oh. Once again on keyboard, my one and only Mr. Tyda. No asking why or when. not looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You're forever he bowed down to me, one miracle find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Yan, sa dala po request yung account ninyo. Another requested song, Dance With My Father ko na po nga Ilocano version. Yan, Dance With My Father, composed by Nina and Caroline Lasania and popularized by Mr. and Mrs. Stardust, The Sweetland, manipod-abot is Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. Yan, so ti title na po ti Ilocano ket Nanang Kentatang by the Sweetland Band. Sipot maladagaan aging gat puot na adaanan ni tatang ko makikita ni nanang ko nga mangay aywan kanya tuy biyag ko ket sobra tiragsak na isudat kapadang ko iti panagbiag dakkel pang yamana uray biyag narigat nanang kentatan jak nga malipatan nanang sikat silaw tatang sikat pagsanggiran tirigat nga intay na kasaran sikay nang iwanwan tinapintas ang masakbayan. Dito'y lubong napnuan ti problema ngem tibker tinake inak na kita tirigan ket ag tinulong da nanang kentatang di kay kuma nga maumuma jak tumulo sa malipatan sikay sa ming nga pagwa nawanan gaputi ayat yu kanya nanang kentatang jak nga malipat sikat silaw, hadang sikat pagsanggiran, tirikan nga intay na hasaran, sikay nang iwanwan, pinapinta sa masakbayan. Manipot pa'y pimanaw ni tatang, daytoy puso ke nagkasaan. Sursurayo dyan tumalipanan, dakkel nga inak pangyamanan. La 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 la. Nanang kentatang diyan nga malipatan, nanang sikat silaw, tatang sikat pagsanggiran, tirigan nga intay na pasaran, sikay nang iwanwan, pinapintas ang masakbayan. Salamat po, o tatay ko, ang awit na to ay iaalay ko lang sa'yo. Awitin to ay para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal, mahal kita, o aking ama. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever Aking another requested song, Kusilapan Ka. Okay, sumay-sama na po ang Ilocano, Kusilapan Ka, another requested song. Imbaga met ken ka kaibig, ano ganda't mundo ang subli. I get sorry na dyan may kari na palalong amin ti sakit na day di alaw nga pimanaw ka sa di ka pa'y pulos kimita. Tawid met atin naglabas, rinunuam ko tinangwayas, sabay nga nalipatan ka. Namin ano ang nagparparig na, nga kumabiyag ko ang subli ka, hindi naglata kinit kita. Pinto nagsarap ka, kung silaban ka, ipasulit tutoy matak ako bitaken ka. Sakto pa'y pangatungkin, ipababa, kastanto parang iparik na, hanabiyag ak nga awan ka. Yan, so hello mga kapatid, viewers sa yung 146. Into nagsarap ka, kung silaban ka, ipasulik tutoy matak ako bitaken ka. Sakto ba'y pangatungkin, ipababa, kastanto parang iparik na, hanabiyag ak nga awan ka. Amok nga babawi ka, na aminismo't nagbiduta. I get sorry, damage has been done. Jagmetin pangarap sa ima, itunan balay gikit masarangan, kalpasan nga syakit panawa. Into nagsarap